Okay, we're gonna try this again. We've got vacuum pump with different glass. Oh, glass. That one's large. A little bit smaller. I think that may be a kiln. Lots of workbenches, paper roll dispensers, table saw, band saw, drill press. What is this?
I don't know.
Okay, this is something. Who knows?
Might ask Jeff that question. I don't know.
And I don't know what those are either. Do you know what those are?
I think this is like a metal. This is a cutter.
A metal cutter?
Shear. Yeah.
Okay.
Shear.
To cut the incredible amount of sheet metal that is lying around.
That's
Metal
what it
cutters. Okay. Nope, that's not up. Ooh, who's taking that shop vac? Is anyone? We have lots and lots of workbenches. This is a paint box with an enormous outlet. This is a constant temperature cabinet. And there's another one over here. Let's see, another workbench. Old 50s style sink with matching paper towel dispenser is certainly up for bid. There's all kinds of boxes and little stuff. There's an incredible amount of copper wire, insulated wire of varying gauges and sizes and colors, paint, metal shims, solder, motors, partially assembled components. They took some benches out of this room. There are lots of benches. Maybe you need a bench. There's just tons of little metal components, terminals, just all kinds of stuff that is ultimately going to be junk, trash, scrap. There's probably too much typewriter. You want a typewriter? There's lots. There's probably so much here that I will miss stuff. Rubber stamps. This is some sort of cabinet, maybe another constant temperature cabinet. Old clock. Here we have wire and contact products. I don't know. Let's see, what are this? These are, this looks like his hardware storage. It's like nuts and bolts, magnet chargers. That looks like something you might be able to use. There's some more wire. I don't know, stuff in boxes. Ferrite bobbins. I don't know what that is. Soldering irons. Stamp pads. And we already looked at that shelf. Manuals. Let's see what's in here. This is tubing. That's metal. Some of this is magnetized metal. Oh, zip ties. Could take some of those. Cable locks. What is that? 2-inch thick stack. Oh, that's heavy. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. This is all sheets. It's kind of like a big E. And then there's some straight pieces. And there's probably all kinds of shapes. I don't know. Continuing on. Flat file. Shelving. There's lots of shelving. This is like office supplies. More terminals, solder lugs, screws, front panel nuts like, oh, where are you? There's that, there's all kinds of stuff. I don't really know what that is. Some sort of snap contact, I don't know. Right, there's all that. There's a lot there. These are pre-built transformers, I believe. Converters. I'm not quite sure. I don't know if you could use those. I think that's another metal cutter there. Hot oven. I don't know what that is. Wire. Resistors. I don't know. Some PCB board there. Transformers. More benches. Paper cutter. LCR meter. I don't know. There's more metal. I'm taking that actually. And then there's more components, more benches. These benches are nice with these lamps. I have no idea what that machine does, but there it is. These are all resistors, 100 categorized, sorted, 100 ohms, 240, 560, 1000, 2400, 56, 56,000, 200, or 240K, 56K, or 560K, 10M, 5.6M, it goes on. Let's see, oh, that's empty, no, that's full. Yeah, 8.2M, I don't know. This whole thing is just, nope, not any in there. There's some in there. Yeah, it looks like all resistors. Stuff. I think we already looked at this. Okay, I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. I don't know what that is. Charging trunk that he made. He did a lot of electronic components for Bell Helicopter and subsequently the government. Really like World War II era. I'm taking home a lot of vacuum tubes too. I don't know if you'd be interested in anything like that. There's also a lot of oscilloscopes. That one's pretty neat looking. That is a wide range oscillator. This is a frequency changer. This is an incredibly old General Electric oscilloscope. Let's see, some sort of dual power supply. I don't know, that looks like it's all tape. It's all tape. You need some tape. Dollies. Nice dollies, chairs. More benches, of course. All this is on benches. I don't know what this crazy thing is, but it looks neat. It's like some sort of weave for I don't know what. Universal Winding Company, Providence, Rhode Island. I guess that's a wire winder. I'm sort of cabinet down here. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Big wooden box. More copper. It's all copper there. Another bench. He's got a lot of soldering irons. Chairs that are vintage. That one looks nice. Wood. Okay. Some sort of generator. 2002 function generator. Got different wave patterns on there. Frequencies. Amplitude. I don't know what that is. It's homemade. Oh, speakers. Look at those. I think those are any good. Those look like...
Don't run my battery all the way down.
I want to take those. I don't think it is. It's doing alright. Tape dispensers. It's like general office stuff. Oh, there's impedance bridge. Heathkit Q meter. I don't know what that is. Another oscilloscope. Let's see. Ultra low distortion power amplifier. There's something behind it. Let's see what this is. This is don't know. It won't focus. General Radio Company. Oh, it's a multiplier? I don't know. I don't know what that is. Maybe you do, maybe you don't. That's some sort of weird vibrating pillow or something. Frequency function generator. Low frequency function generator. Electronic switch. It's not a very good image of that. Something in that box. Bachmann basic plug-in e-put and timer. Nope. Let's see. Oh. Dang. Wide range oscillator. AC DC differential voltmeter. I can't see what that is. It's frequency, balance, percentage. I don't know. Something there. I don't know what those are. Some sort of cap or something. That's like it says DC amp, DC volt. Increase voltage filtered, rectified powered supply. Okay, that looks like it could be useful, huh? There's another oscilloscope. I don't know what that is. Attenuation network. Nope. Oh, that's a battery charger. Or something. I don't know. There's something there that looks old. More copper. Wire. Transistors labeled. These are all labeled. Diodes. Linear IC. Transistor. These are diodes. I don't know the difference between a diode and a transistor and I just don't. Transistors. There's a lot of stuff here. Oh, there's more. Yep. More wire. Oh, more oscilloscope. Oh, a video bridge. I don't, wonder what that is. Video bridge. Another oscilloscope. Type 453 oscilloscope, it says. RF vector impedance meter by Hewlett Packard. Lots of voltmeters there, or wire components, wire boxes of copper wire, more voltmeters, more power supply. There's some spectrum analyzer, oscilloscope. Those look pretty recent, somewhat. I don't know. Cornell Dubilier decade capacitor. I don't know. Capacitor decade. Oscillator. Function standard research systems model DS345 30 megahertz synthesized function generator. Okay, that's what's in that room. This was his office, which I think is fairly well cleaned out. But office stuff, chairs, desks, tables, workbenches, we got them. You want them? You're welcome to it. For perhaps little to no money. I don't know what that stuff is. It looks big. Okay, let's go downstairs. Oh, another old sink, matching hand towel dispenser. I'm narrating the video here. Yeah. Oh, there's a couple of these, what are they, hoists? Metal?
Hoists.
Yeah, they're not going anywhere.
Oh, okay. Fair enough. The volume controls? I'm sorry, what did you say, Betty? Oh, it was a spot welder? Okay. Oh, right. Yeah, I didn't notice it. I was back here earlier. Oh, that is enormous. Jesus. You need a spot welder, Chad?
That's an antique.
1999 Gateway? Let's jump.
Yeah.
Desks. Workbench. I think they said that's like a half-ton spot welder there. Another fine example of a 50s sink. It's pretty much brand new with matching towel dispenser.
Are they stuck here?
I was thinking of taking that.
Paper buckets.
Yeah.
A fold-out cot. A chair. I think that's just junk. And I'm also bringing back a lot of chart for knobs. That might be something you're interested in. One source for all your knobs. Knob chart. These resistors, sorted and labeled and boxed. These clamp things of varying sizes that get pretty large here. There we go. Another typewriter. Okay. What's in these drawers? I don't know, they're locked. Alright. Map showing cotton growing regions of the United States and Mexico? Maybe. Okay, let's see here. Oh, this is, let me back up here. This is all wire colors. And this is all, these are all magnetized shims. And these old wooden boxes here, it's kind of cool. I think I'm going to take one of those boxes for myself. Metal shims, metal shims, metal shims. I don't know what those are. Some sort of more metal shims. Yeah. I bet these are all. Oh, these are laminations. All laminations. Laminations, sizes. Yep. I don't know if that's something you use ever. This thing, that is, what is this?
Those are C-cores.
C-cores?
Yeah, they're used for building transformers.
Oh, okay. That one's pretty big. Alright.
Come on, Dougley.
There's Jen and Ken. It's weird.
Oh, that's their little.
That's so cute. I don't know what that is. Looks interesting. Giant paper cutter. It's almost 3 feet by 3 feet. What is all this? This is all parts, components, amorphous metal samples, pole pieces, copper foil, well reconnaissance. I don't know what that means. Okay. This is fairly extensive video, 20 minutes. I'm sure you're really interested in this stuff. No, not really. More like, oh, this is like metal boxes, like frame squares. Jeez, brackets. Oh, more vacuum tubes. Found more tubes. I'm taking a lot of tubes with me back, so any tubes I find, I'm going to bring with me. Yeah, I mean, just all kinds of stuff.
Yeah, there's those tubes.
Oh, these are neat.
We're hungry.
Pocket ruler? Look how many he has. I didn't realize he had that many.
Handful and pass them out for souvenirs.
Oh,
Yeah,
souvenirs.
Carl got some. We already got some too.
Yeah, these are all tubes. I can take all these.
Those are not tubes. Those are capacitors there, but
Yeah.
these are tubes.
Tubes.
Yeah, those
These
are
are
all
all
tubes.
tubes.
Those are all. Well, hey, take them all.
All right, great.
We need a box.
Okay,
Yes, we do.
some sort of
There's more tubes than I thought there was.
homemade thing. I don't know.
Is there another box back here?
Yes, there is.
More potentiometers.
You got a wrap, or you get left behind.
Okay. Tubes. What's in here? Metal. Okay, Chad. Hopefully you. Oh, what is this? Resistors. More resistors. Little devils. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, I think that gives you an idea. Call me. Let me know. I think I'm leaving Dallas this afternoon, but most of the stuff will be here.
Come back.
So, bring a truck or something. They want it. The idea is to get rid of everything. So, it all got to go. All right, Chad.